Hey gang, Yubi here. Today I'm going to show you my knife making vise that I use to hold my knives when I do hand finishing. Now I work on a lot of small knives, so I have a very short work area, but in the future I intend to add a longer section here, or a longer piece of wood to have a longer section and a shorter section. And as you can see, this clamps into my post vise, and I use a spacer of identical width of the knife that I'm working on the back end to keep this from twisting and not clamping down on the knife flat. So I'm going to take this out of the vise and I'll show you on the table what this is all about. So this is a really simple setup. This is a woodworker's bench vise that's attached to this piece of wood. Normally this would be the bench top, and this would be the vise that clamps work to the side of the bench. I've simply just attached a piece of wood where the bench would be, and this allows me to clamp the vise into a vise, changing a vertical vise into a horizontal vise that's suitable for knife makers. And this is really handy for non-knife makers as well. I've been in situations where I've wished for something like this during a fabrication and just always thought of something like this in the back of my head but never got around to building it. So now that I've been making knives, I finally decided to go ahead and do it. And so the knife goes here, and a piece of equal thickness goes on the back so that the vise doesn't rack. And that's it. So that's it. Have a nice day unless you have other plans. Peace.